Within your Tokeet account, you might wish to add users so that they can have access to your account and handle individual tasks. Additional Tokeet users can be specified as having certain duties and responsibilities, or areas of expertise. You can use this feature to give your entire team, from maintenance employees to management individuals, access to your account for editing, viewing, or sending messages to guests and potential guests. Tokeet makes adding users and updating their information along the way simple and easy. From your dashboard, navigate over to Settings, then click User Settings. The Account User Settings list will allow you to search and filter your list of users and edit their individual profiles. From here, navigate to the far right and click Add User. On the Add User pop-up, fill in all the required information. Choose a role. Make sure you have a password. When you're done, you click Save. You can see here that your new user has been added successfully. Updating your user information is just as simple. From the Account Users list, click on the user whose information you'd like to update. On the User Detail overlay, add the necessary updates. When you're done, click Save. And there you have it. Your user information has been updated successfully. Should you wish to temporarily disable a user's ability to log in using their profile, simply click on the Disable Tokeet Login. Should it be necessary to reset the user's password, select the Reset Password option here. This will result in an email going out to your user's email automatically with instructions for resetting the password. Now you and your entire team can begin using Tokeet to its full capabilities.